In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we continue to highlight young people who believe that regardless of the situation, anything is possible. Here's TVJ's Kian Morgan.
For Shania Daly, juggling back-to-back classes at the University of the West Indies, Mona, while running a business is not unusual. The 20-year-old, who runs a mobile Brazilian waxing service on the campus, says she had always aspired to be her own boss. So, when she started university, she sought unique ways to fund her tuition.
Everybody at UA wants to be a hot girl. Lots of hot girls around the place. And waxing was something I could do, and it was a pretty good solution to that.
Before branching out, Shania said she experimented on her friends. Realizing she was very good at it, she decided to turn her skills into cash.
I was kind of good at making people comfortable, and I went from there.
But after her first attempt failed, she almost gave up.
I had a Valentine's Day special, and I had almost no clients. This was my first year. I was excited. I was ready. I thought everything was going to be fine, and then silence. And I got very discouraged. I was like, well, this clearly isn't going to work. But I even stopped for a little bit, and I decided to come back in a different way.
Shania did a proper marketing plan and relaunched. Now, when Shania is not in class, she's responding to house calls all over campus, sometimes off campus too. But now that the business has grown, Shania says at times it's overbearing juggling both passions.
This Monday I had class 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and 5 to 7, and then I had a client at 7:30. So it can be a lot, but it's definitely worth it, and it really helps me learn how to manage my time and perform well under stress.
One of the keys, she says, to overcoming is having a strong support system.
I've had friends who volunteered to cut up wax strips for me and pick up extra wax when I was having like a busy season.
And just like in last week's episode, we also asked Shania, why not take a loan like most university students do?
I think a student loan would be just too much of, I wouldn't even say responsibility, but a burden.
Shania says just like other university students, she could be partying and hanging out with friends, but she chose a different path. She's encouraging others to not let loans be the only option.
It's not just about not having a loan, it's a sense of pride that you get from knowing that I'm 20 and I feel very proud to say that I'm a business owner. So I would recommend thinking about it. There's something that everybody's good at, and with enough marketing and the right tools, anything can be a successful business if you work hard enough at it.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.